Hello, in this Kotlin programming video, I am going to cover the sealed class. And a sealed class essentially allows you to group a bunch of other classes together, but itself cannot be instantiated. Only the classes that are grouped inside of it. And this is great for basically just naming purposes. So for the sealed class, this is how you do it. Then in the name of the sealed class, so shape for example, in here you could have some classes for this sealed shape class, and let's say one for circle, and we could have this could have a radius, this could be a float. Then we can have another class square, and this could be the length of integer. And we could have a class for maybe rectangle, and this could have var length. Actually, no, width and height. So width, and this could be a float. And square, this could be a float as well. I guess I'll probably best if it's a float. Var height, and there we go. Okay, so now if we want to create it, we cannot do this. We cannot do var s equals shape. It gives an error. It says cannot access. It's private in shape. Shape cannot be, sealed types cannot be instantiated. So, but what we can do is shape, or the name of our sealed class, dot, and then the class that we want to use, circle. Then we need to provide a radius, so let's say 6, and the integer literal does not conform, dot 0f, there we go. And we could print it out by doing print line, or access any other properties of this class. The class could be as complex or as simple as you want, but obviously I've kept it simple, so we do s dot radius. Now if we run it, we'll get a result of 6. There we go, we get 6.0. So this is how you use the sealed class to group other classes together. Nothing, more to it than that. But if you have any questions, feel free to pop me a message. And as usual, I look forward to seeing you in the next video.